Consider silence your inner critic, leverage your inner cheerleader.
Quiet the negative voices that say, I'm too old or I'm not relevant, because these usually stem from societal pressures, not reality. I can certainly attest to that, and there's no way you will hear me ever say, I'm too old, I'm not relevant. It's just not in my vocabulary, and I would encourage you to delete it from yours if you're saying those kind of things. Then replace self doubt with optimistic affirmations as you focus on your determined achievements. What is you want to achieve? What's your intention? What are the ways you're going to get there? Affirm that pathway or pathways to get there. And then take moments of reflective journaling to acknowledge your worth and open up space for new opportunities and adventures. If there's anything that I have been known for, it is this sense of journaling. Now, I don't do it page by page and put a date on it. I tend to doodle and scribble and put words and turn them around and put them upside down and all that. But the idea is to do this reflection in whatever language, visual language, whatever it is that works for you, and get it down on paper. It's amazing what you can do with it, because out of all of that, you can leverage the sense of your cheerleader to bring that to the foreground. And you are your own best cheerleader. And then as you interact with others, you would be looking for those who would influence you and be your cheerleaders as well. So that's the silence your inner critic, leverage your inner cheerleader. Please watch as many videos as you can on the channel. It certainly helps the channel out. And your comments, I so enjoy reading your comments because it gives me more insights into what can be brought forward in support of you and your aging confidently. So, with that, take care.